You know right, assassinate. Airport and my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Endra me mamoti asiye se Kennedy Agyapong ene Anas insensem ewo court no. Baby akwa akodru. Kennedy Agyapong kan asem to Anas so ewo court. Yebisa Kennedy Agyapong send the evidence ewo here. Wanfa evidence amba court. Now so still na ojina so kan say our records. You say Ken, our records. What evidence when evidence yi wanfa amba court. Na the see and say ya journey case no eba ende. Na me mamoti ase say I'll bring you and then so in somewhere because so court. Me de bebremo na Ghana fo ni na yehu de call so. Na same way you need the cheaper we obi a we follow yan acha 3 years ago and I say 4 years ago because you're 2022. 4 years ago asem ne call court. Ye di echia every single step ye de bremo. Inti no ye so. Na ende Kennedy Agyapong e call court no. You could be sana asem because one say eya na Kennedy Agyapong work asetia anasa. Eya na asem ba ko a work and say judges bi e katre wono ana judge bi katre no Kennedy Agyapong say Ghana ha say judges esro anas. One say Kennedy Agyapong ya work ansa asem no. Say judge be a confide in or no Kennedy Agyapong and the Kennedy Agyapong call court and ye bisa and say Ken judge ya walk and judge
MELODIES TV on YouTube.
Ghana judges is through announce no I was say within the din eba na Ghana fo na ye hu say judge we na kan sa asem no yen konsem ni mu o say the High Court in Accra has ordered the Member of Parliament for Asin Central Kennedy Agyapong to furnish the court with the name of the judge who he claims confided in him that judges are afraid of investigative journalist Anas Anas. Kennedy Agyapong, who is the subject matter of a 25 million Ghana cedis defamation suit from Anas Anas, had told the court in Accra that due to intimidation from Anas, judges fear him. Into a court asem no so court. Say Anas ejuma wo ye nti Ghana has a judges is no. Or say under further cross-examination from lawyers of Anas, led by Odai Ko, the MP said 2 judges confided in him, including one who was on the panel who investigated Anas's judicial service expose and later rose to the Supreme Court. Or say the said Supreme Court judge, according to Kennedy Agyapong, has since passed on to eternity and cannot mention his name. Into Kennedy Agyapong says, judge no omuye 2. Ba kwa wakatre ono Kennedy Agyapong say Anas judges no suro no ba kwa ewu nti on pese obebo ni din wewu sebe obi a wewu de oni nya asem a wan na ekwa kasa ama no nti Kennedy Agyapong say sa nipa kro no wewu now was
MELODIES TV on YouTube.
But for the other judge, according to Kennedy Agyapong, who presides at a court at Ejiso Efijase, came to his TV station to confide in him. Or said the order of the court came after Kennedy Agyapong has said he does not have the name of the said judge in his memory, but when given time, he can produce the name of the court. Lawyers of Anas, as part of their cross-examination of Kennedy Agyapong, asked him if he still maintains his accusation against Anas of intimidating judges. While responding in the affirmative, Kennedy Agyapong explained that I have a judge who came to me at my TV station and another who admitted that he was part of the panel that investigated the judges. He added that because of Anas's investigation, some judges were sacked, and this made many of the judges panic. Asked to tell the court who the names of these judges he alluded to were, he said the second judge was dead, but the first one was at Ejisu Efijase. I said, my lord, if my memory serves me right, I think Ejisu Efijase, he came to my TV station, and I have the video, and he was a judge. And the second one, who regretted and died, rose to the Supreme Court. He was among the panel that investigated the judges, so I can't mention his name, he said. While clarifying whether these 2 judges all came to his TV station to tell him, he answered in a negative. He added that the one presiding at Ejiso was the one who came to my TV station. So, my lord, is not the one who rose to the Supreme Court. He never came to my station. When asked if a judge, who he claimed he cannot mention his name, came to confide in him, the respondent said, because of his position as a Supreme Court judge, that is why I didn't want to mention his name. When it was suggested to him by counsel for the plaintiff that he was unable to mention the name of the said Supreme Court judge because his allegations were untrue, Kennedy Agyapong disagreed. I said, 2 judges. Why is he counsel narrowing it down to the Supreme Court judge because the other one is still alive? He noted. He said, if the court could give him 5 minutes, I can call my office for them to get me the name. When counsel asked to tell the courts the name of the said judge who was at his station. At this point, counsel for plaintiff indicated his further line of actions will require the respondent to make available the name
Melodies
of the judge.
TV on
The court
YouTube.
presided over by Justice Eric Barr, a justice of Court of Appeal, sitting with additional responsibility as a High Court judge, ordered Kennedy Agyapong to furnish the court with the name of the said judge at the next court sitting. Now, assembly nini, the reading in the marking kanina, assembly nina say Kennedy Agyapong akwa kan wo court say judges mienu aba beka atre wono Kennedy Agyapong say Ghana ha say judges bebre esuro Anas. Tie. O say judges mienu aba beka atre no. Say Ghana ha judges bebre esuro Anas. Ena wono Kennedy Agyapong no. Ono Kennedy Agyapong ye bisa no court ho. Say but judges ni din ena say oba de won to me mbo ni din because obedane Supreme Court judge ena wewu into to me mbo ni din bo betumi aboba ako din sa aba ako no oba ni TV station so ene ne bekasa ena ne kre. There was one judge bi asa judge no munia mo beka ya embra na Kennedy Agyapong expose Anas no sa judge no ba TV station bekasa. Now sa judge no, he was part of the judges Anas chi omo munia mo ka say judges bi wo mo kwaji aponche wo mu di case. He was part of those judges Anas chi omo ye yi no e free so nti ye tuni as judge because ye chene say wo ji aponche ne bayre allegedly ye hu video no ji aponche ne bayre a wo di case. Nti sa judge there he had nothing to lose. Nti obetena show ne so eka nsem obekan tia Anas. Sa judge ne there yes me kai. But you see ye bisa Kennedy Agyapong say sa judge ne din de sen no o se o omon twen na won frɛ ne office no mo fa evidence ne nya den emma no e no mo ka so okay o de besi ne say next sitting fa evidence bi a wo e wo sa asem ne so ebra won say no de Kennedy Agyapong ka so obetumi afrɛ na evidence na ba but endra wo mo call court wo kwa kan say wo evidence e tre say Anas we wia ade fi Metro TV fo ho akwakoton ama BBC no won say ne de ye bisa no see evidence no wan fan back court but won say we de esan say eye ne kre say judge bi ekotena ne show so ene ne kre nso say judge bi kotena ne show so e kan say Anas judge suro no ninti o say mo de mo ntwen na memfra ne emfa mbra sisia. What does that tell you? Endra de ne de wan ka so mo de mo ntwen na memfra ne emfa evidence ne mbra endra de no o ka say Anas ye kronfo ana Anas okowia video ewo Metro TV for ekoton ma BBC no eno ye kan no wankasa mo ntwen na memfa evidence ne mbra ba ende de ne de esan say ye na ye hu ye ye kan wo TV so judge ne ba TV so be kasa ye nti o se mo de mo ntwen na ye mfa evidence ne mbra.
Melodies TV on YouTube.
You see how the thing is going in court. But you see, and listen, sa judge now we better na TV ne so kan, and I don't want to be prejudicial on this case because it is still a court issue. It will not be prejudicial. But you need him say sa judge na we be kan ansem no what Kennedy Agyapong TV station no. He had a bone to pick with Anas because Anas amane lusu na ejuma. Anas amane lusu na ejuma. So what were you expecting him to say about Anas? Obviously, that judge will say things. Ebema Anas a looky bad in the eyes of the public. Inti udi ono na asem ebeye evidence or court there. I don't know how it will go, but I wish you well. I don't know, but I wish you well. Inti someone ekwaso ewo court ni. Enkrofo atra omo adwen. Yenko ni nko read just some 1-2 comments bina let's call it a day. O see wa na we mahama fa ho ben a che se ye di mahama atem ana wendi mahama atem asemo anyway mun try ma jo comment box ni